प्यारे बच्चों, कल आपको पिछले दिनों में प्रोसेस में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिज़ाइन के अंतर्गत आपको वाई डू वी नीड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ये पढ़ाने जा रहा था। पढ़ाते के लिए फिर से मैं बोल रहा हूँ, वाई डू वी नीड अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। पेज नंबर 172 देखें। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन plays a central role in running the system of the government of country in the proper way. The Constitution is required to safeguard the people's right, whether they belong to the majority or minority group. The whites agree to the principles of one person, one vote. Together, they connected same right for the poor and laborer. The non-white agree that all issues would not be decided on the basis of majority. So they laid down the certain rules which were to be followed by all and also all future elected government. All these written rules are called Constitution. Hence, it can be said that the Constitution is a written document of the country consisting of rules which one accepted by all the people. Some main factors related to the necessity of the Constitution are as follows: that develop a spirit cooperation and faith among the different type of people. It determines how the government could be formed and how would be authorized to take decision. It circumscribes the power of the government and declares the right of the people. It expresses the aspiration of the people for making a good society. Only a constitution does not make a country essentially democratic, but all democracies essentially have their constitution. अब देखिए इसके बाद में क्या लिखते हैं। आपने इतना समझ लिया होगा कि हमें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्यों ज़रूरत पड़ती है और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या है, ये आपने देखा। इसके बाद में योर्स सेल्फ एंड लर्न के बारे में भी कहा था। विजिट ए ऑफिस, सम क्लब, कोऑपरेटिव एसोसिएशन, लेबर बॉडी और पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इन द योर लोकेलिटी, आस्क फॉर इट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड स्टडी इट, चेक इफ देयर रूल्स आर डेमोक्रेटिक, कैन एवरीवन seek membership of the concerned organization without discrimination. Students to do themselves with the teacher's assistance. क्या कह रहे हैं? It has become a mess if everything had been decided in advance. What was the need of the Constitution? This is not possible that the fundamental issues having been decided in advance, the Constitution was ready and there was no need of the Constituent Assembly. The Constitution spoke about such fundamental issues as universal adult franchise, right of freedom, safeguard for the right. These fundamental things took the help in the building India, and its constitution was prepared keeping in mind all these points. In the constitution, a country was visualized where interest of all people would be taken care of. Our constituent or assembly draft a constitution keeping in view these basic issues. Hence the need of the Constituent Assembly. No matter that consequence had been involved on all fundamental principles. Making of Indian Constitution. Making of the Indian Constitution. Like South Africa, the Constitution of India also was drafted during what difficult circumstances. It was not an easy task to prepare a constitution for a country like India, a vast country full of huge diversity. At that true, the people of India were emerging out of the slavery and now they were becoming citizens of the free and democratic country. The country had undergone traumatic experience of partition on the basis of the religion for the people of India and Pakistan. Partition was the tragic and heart-rending experience. At least 10 lakh people had been killed in the partition relation violence. In the English people had granted freedom to the principally state that they could voluntarily merge with either of the countries or could remain independent. Merger of those states was difficult and also certain. At the time of drafting of constitution, the future of the country did not look so certain and safe as it is today. The makers of the constitution were concerned about the about the present and the future of the country. अब देखिए द पाथ ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या कहते हैं. डिस्पाइट अ लॉट ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज एंड हार्डशिप द मेकर्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैड वन ग्रेट एडवांटेज एज इन अफ्रीका where they had to evolve, consume on many issues. During the drafting of constitution itself, the makers of the Indian constitution did not face any such situation. Abroad, concerns on many fundamental issues, including democracy, had been evolved even during the struggle for freedom. Our national movement was not only a struggle against a foreign rule, it was a movement to reawaken our society and transform the society and politics. During the freedom struggle, there were sharp references regarding the path of India should take as an independent country. Some such difference still exists, but some basic ideas had been accepted by all. In the year 1928, Motilal Nehru with 8 other congressmen had prepared a constitution for India. In 1931, a draft of the Indian constitution had been presented in the session of the Indian National Congress held in Karachi. Both of these documents had laid down principles of universal adult franchise, liberty and equality, and safeguard for the right of the minority in the independent India. In this way, certain basis values had been accepted even before setting for framing the Indian Constitution. The knowledge and the understanding of the political institution and system of the colonial rule also helped forming new political constitution. The English ruler had granted the right to note to a few people. This limited franchise gave birth to a big legislature. After 1937, election to be provincial legislature in the whole of British Indian were held. The governments thus formed were not fully democratic, but forming these legislature and attending them provided a good experience to the Indian people who later had to set up such institutions and run them. Therefore, the Indian Constitution adopts a number of such institutions and the system of old as Indian Government of Act 1935.